In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a transparent gradient in Photoshop using two simple methods that every designer should know. Whether you're blending images, creating smooth fades, or building professional-looking graphics, this technique is essential and super easy once you understand it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. We're starting with the most common method, using the gradient tool. Go ahead and open Photoshop and select the gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard or finding it in the toolbar on the left. Once you've selected it, look at the top toolbar and click on the gradient preview bar. This will open the gradient picker. Here's the important part. You want to choose the option called foreground to transparent. This gradient allows your color to smoothly fade into full transparency, which is exactly what we need. Now set your foreground color. For this example, I'll use black, but you can use any color depending on your design. Now, click on your canvas and drag in the direction you want the gradient to fade. The longer you drag, the smoother and more gradual the fade will be. When you release your mouse, you'll see the gradient applied instantly, fading from your chosen color into transparency. This works great for overlays, shadows, and subtle design effects. Now let's move on to a cleaner and more flexible method using a layer mask. This method is especially useful if you want non-destructive editing and more control later on. First, create a new layer above your image. You can do this by clicking the new layer icon in the Layers panel. With that new layer selected, go to Edit, then Fill, and choose any color you want. Again, I'll use black for this example. Next, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask button. You'll see a white thumbnail appear next to your layer, which represents the mask. Now select the gradient tool again by pressing G. This time, in the gradient picker, choose the black to white gradient. This is important because masks use black and white values to control visibility. Make sure your layer mask is selected, not the layer itself, then click and drag across your canvas. As you do this, you'll see part of the layer fade away. That's because black hides the layer and white reveals it, creating a smooth transparency effect. The best part about this method is that it's completely non-destructive. You can adjust the gradient anytime, redo it, or even paint on the mask to fine-tune your result. And that's it. Two simple ways to create a transparent gradient in Photoshop, depending on your workflow and level of control you need. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.